So, ganito na lang po gawin po natin. Ano po? Think of a song that best describes what you feel. Yung sa buong session na po natin na, yung from day 1 hanggang ngayon. Then skaters, great.
Dapat tanggapin natin yun ng positibo. Kasi nga, kaya pero matrabaho, pero kung pagtsatsagaan talaga natin, kakayanin natin gawin yun. Pero yun nga, minsan, di ba, sa totoo lang, gumagawa din tayo para sa output, hindi yung para i-apply din natin talaga. Parang ganun, ang hirap din talaga kasi. So yun lang, tanggapin na lang din natin in a positive way.
So, making an assessment. So, based on the full sessions that we had, we learned several things, particularly making or constructing assessments that are anchored on the Second Life framework, and also how to master crafting questions that are aligned with the higher order thinking skills, and as well as revisiting our previous knowledge on tests or making different preparations in relation to our examination na i-administer natin sa ating mga estudyante.
Nakikita ko lang doon ay memo lang po ng master classes at schedule lang po nila. Wala po doon resources.
And what you use inside the classroom. Okay, now before we continue with the open forum of today's session, we will be taking a quick health break. So this is a great time to stretch, grab a snack, or simply take a moment to recharge. And our dear viewers, you may now drop your questions in our comment section so that by the time tulad ng face-to-face, blended learning,